Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to pass LinkedIn skill assessment test confidently on your first try. So, this batch can seriously boost your visibility to recruiters, and yeah, LinkedIn shows when you are in the top 30%, so it's worth it. First of all, you wanna know what you're up against. LinkedIn skill assessments are timed multiple choice tests. You usually get about 15 to 20 questions, and most topic covers real-world practical use cases. These aren't just definition, they test how you would actually use the skill. Next, you want to go ahead and pick and study smart. Choose a skill you are already decent at: Excel, Python, JavaScript, Photoshop, whatever matches your career. Then go brush up. Use YouTube tutorials, LinkedIn Learning, or free sites like W3 School and Code Academy. Even Reddit has practice thread. And after that, you want to go ahead and simply practice under pressure. You only get one shot every 3 months, so treat this seriously. Find sample questions online and simulate test condition. No Googling, no pausing. You want to make sure you are in a quiet place, good internet, no distraction, and you won't be able to pause or go back once you start. And if you land in the top 30%, you pass and get the skill badge on your profile. That little badge boosts your ranking when recruiters search. It's basically free credibility. And if you fail, no one sees it. You can retake it after 3 months. And yeah, you can remove old badges and retest if you think you can score higher. So if you're serious about leveling up on your LinkedIn, this is one of the easiest wins you can get. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.